oven, not too.
Where's Dada?
It will be hot now. Good morning, guys.
Good guys.
Say good morning. Say good morning.
I will bring my Bobby.
Oh, she's wearing her Bobby. She's saying, look, nagtutupi ako kanina. And then, kinuha niya sa tinupi ko, guys. Sabi ko, no, kasi tinupi ko na. Akala ko ay bungkagin niya ba?
Mama.
Hindi, guys. Gusto niya palang suotin kay Barbie. Okay, hang on. Hang on, look at this. Ay, alam niyo ba? Di ba kahapon nakabili kami nung mermaid na top? Naku.
Mami.
Kahapon, kagabi, pinag-shower ko siya. Ayaw niyang hubarin. So, nag-shower siya, nag-bath na, nagsuot-suot noon. Ayaw pa niya hubarin, guys. Inano ko na siya, inawan ko na siya sa tubig. Ayaw pa niya talagang hubarin. So, well, anyways, naano ko siya, na charis-charis ko siya. So, nadala ko siya sa bedroom without it. And kaninang umaga, nagising siya sobrang aga. Pumunta siya kaagad ng bathroom, guys, kasi alam niya, nandun yung mermaid. Baka hanapin niya ulit. Bumalik siya sa bedroom, bit niya. Sabi niya sa akin, no, mermaid. Careful, it's hot, ha? Bit niya, guys. Sabi ko, basa naman to na. Kailangan pa natin tong ihalay ba para mauga. Grabe yung Tagalog yung mami nyo ngayon, guys. Struggle is real. So, ayun, sobrang iyak niya. Grabe iyak niya. So, hinanapan ko na lang siya ng ibang princess dress. Pero, pinalitan niya naman ito nung nakita niya. Oh, anak, careful na! Kasi Barbie daw. So, anything Barbie, anything mermaid.
Si Barbie!
Sa banga ni baby sila. Careful, nak! Ayun pag go, nak! Mama just cleaned. Naglinis ako, nag-mop ako ng floor. Yun nga, nagtupi. So, Daddy Mike and Ate Paris, wala sila dito ngayon. Nagpagupit si Daddy Mike. Kasi nga, tonight is yung celebration ng birthday ni Daddy Mike with my family. Pupunta kami ng Filipino restaurant dito sa Peru, guys. Malapit sa amin. So, I'm super excited. Yummy! Gumawa ko ng saffron rice. Ayan. Ininit ko lang. Ito hindi naman kumakain. Si Mami pinapakain. Yummy! Nakauwi na si Inday, guys. Oh, sobrang busy niya. What are you doing? Ala, kulpa kay Sudlay. Tinidor. Nak, why are you using fork? Anak?
Because that's how, everyone does it. That's how mermaids use it for.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you doing your makeup, mermaid?
Yep.
Where did you and Daddy go?
To Nando's and the hairdresser because I was doing his hair.
What did you have at Nando's?
Chips and calamari.
Calamari?
Chicken.
Yeah. Was it hot outside?
Not too.
Not too hot? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang outfit,
I'm
guys.
just gonna go.
Okay, na mabilis. Ay mo na. Show tita, dito. Show tita, dito your outfit quickly. Tingnan niyo, mabilisan na yan kanina, guys. Kasi yung daddy niya alis na. Gusto niya si mama. Ala.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm making something for Lily. Linis ako dito sa kwarto, guys. In-organize ko yung mga bags kasi very messy na. And Celine is now having a nap. And ginagawan ko siya ng something to eat para pagkagising niya makakain na. Si Daddy Mike ay, ayan, since baby Celine is still sleeping. Speaking of baby Celine sleeping, nagising na lang. Wow! Oh, shush, nagluha. Okay, Mommy is here. Mommy is here. Okay? Ate Paris is here too, you know? She's in the bedroom. She's playing makeups. 1, 2, 3. Say, hi guys. I just woke up. Where's Ate? Ate.
Yeah?
Look. Here. Look at here. Ate. Look at here. Ate Paris.
I did my lips by myself.
Hello. Have a look at Ate Paris having lipstick.
I use this one.
Okay. Do you want one as well? Ate Paris will put? Oh, good. That's alright.
I can pretend this is nail polish.
You want cuddle for now, don't you?
Nail.
No, you can't use that for nail polish, no, no.
It's a joke.
Better be a joke. Okay. I know Mama's making you peas and corn. Yes. Ayush. Ayush. I love you, princess. I love you, Mabi. Ow! Tingnan yung ginagawa niya, guys, ng akong atngal. Yung don't bira-bira, Mama's atngal lang. It hurts. Cuddle na lang, Mama, my mermaid. Here's my mermaid. Oh, George. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Yeah? Hey, Josh, my mermaid. Nagre-ready na kami, guys. For our dinner. So, nakapag-mook up na si mami nyo. Naglagay lang ako ng lip tint kasi hindi ko mahanap yung aking paborito na lipstick. Ayan, para very subtle lang siya. And I curled my hair. And ito yung aking top for tonight, guys. And pakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko kahapon sa Okay, di ba? Na pants. So ito yung naisipan ko na i-pair. Kita ba, guys? Ayan. So, yeah, I think, what do you think, Ate? Good? I'm going to pair it with these shoes or these shoes. So, may pinagpipilian ko, guys. Ito ba? Kasi bagay siya sa aking top na pink. Or this one, yung aking lubutan na ganito. Na sling back. So, either or, I think maganda naman siya. Ito yung gusto ko para kasi dito, mag-match sa top, mag-match siya sa top ko. But, my bag for tonight is this. So, medyo, yung bagay siya dito, beige. What's going on? Aking mga anak, nabihisan ko na yan pero hindi pa nag-focus. So, that's the one. And, this or this?
No!
Ay, papilian natin si Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike yung decide ko. Maganda naman siya parehas, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Lily, girl, what's happening? Or that one. But this one is more sexy, I think. Let's see. Mas, matangkad kasi ako dito sa kapag ito, guys, yung suotin ko. I think she want the utot here. Here you go. Come here. Come here. Knock, those dirty. The floor is dirty. Come here. This is the Paris. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Ayan. Pakita yung outfit lang, babe. There you go. Hang on. And Celine as well. Look. Wow. Ganda naman ng mga babies na yan. Oy. I'll put your shoes on. Oh, stay there. I'll put your shoes on.
Got something going down.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh my God, guys.
Mommy.
Susuotin na nila yung
Hey guys, sorry because I have these on. Mama. Very sorry, but I can't hear you.
Kasi hindi. Oh, this is Ate. Yours is the other one.
Okay.
Yours is the other one. Yeah.
So guys.
Oh, are you sitting on it? Yeah! Tingnan nyo guys, itong damit ni Celine, binili ko to last year. But hindi nagkasya. Oh, agay! Oh my God, chaos talaga sa inyo guys kapag itong dalawa nagsama. Tingnan nyo katong itong bunso kasi guys, kung ano yung nasa ate, gusto din niya sa kanya. So, tingnan nyo, hinila niya, oh. Sige! Bagrak! Bagrak pa man! Shut to your heart, I ought to blame. You give love a bad name. Boo! Banana, pink na. Say, hello guys! Hello! Hello! Boo! Okay, you ready? Okay, calm down, ate. Uy, may bibigay ako kay Ate Paris, guys. Come here. Well, unbox. This is for Ate Paris or for Baby Celine. They can both share it. Open?
I know it's so hot.
This is, pakita muna natin.
Very
Love Cat. Wow! Show, tita.
so guys, it's very shiny.
Mommy!
Very golden. Very pinkish. Have a
Look at here.
This is
You want bag as well?
this is the side. Here's the other side.
Ate is showing.
The front, the back, and the top.
Open. It's super cute, guys.
And this is what it looks like inside.
Show.
Mama.
On your shoulder, tabi. Wow, tingnan niyo naman yan. Guys, baby, layo.
So,
Wow!
I'm gonna do a pose.
Me.
Have a
You want bag as well? Hey, you can have this one. Which one would you like, Lynn? This one? Okay.
so guys, very cute.
Wow! This one, Lily's got a bag
Look
too.
at the chain. Very nice.
Wow! Close? Careful. No. Which one do you reckon, Bob?
Where's the button? Where's the button?
But I'm wearing, hang on, honey. We're wearing this bag. Kita niya, bagay sa niyo kita.
And guys, this is the bag. Very nice. Just look like black.
Nalo si Christian Louboutin.
A few moments later.
Ate Paris and I will go buy. What are we getting to? Cake. Kasama siya sa akin kasi siya daw yung pili.
Dad's birthday.
I know. That's birthday again. Come here. Wait, it's here.
I know.
Check Subway, guys.
I know.
I know. Parang ba? So we're going to the cheesecake shop. Ayaw ni Daddy Mike ng chocolate. Yeah, ng chocolate na cake. So anything as long as hindi chocolate. So buti na lang they're open until 7 tonight. Yeah. Go. Oh, candle too, ate. Remind me. We'll get this one, huh? That one? Hold it. And this one. See? That's 41. No others. Oh, yeah. Get me the pink one. Okay. There's gold lang. Choose gold. Give me the...
41.
Okay, you look at the cakes now. See if there's anything. Oh my god.
Do you think it's enough for 8 people? Yeah.
Wow. Well, Daddy doesn't want chocolate, honey. So, oh look, there's strawberry.
Maybe you can choose what's Daddy's favorite color.
What's that? Maybe we can get this. Na pavlova. Brilliant and blue. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like daddy.
Well, it is that's very colorful.
No, here, Nak. I think that's for kids. We'll get some here. How about that? French glazed vanilla continental cheesecake. Creamy caramel.
Oh my gosh,
Wow.
crunchies, they're all nice.
They're all nice. Very hard to choose.
Why? They're not this one. You think I like the blue one?
How about this one lang? Pavlova. I think everyone's gonna love that.
Come on. I'll try another one. I'll try
This
another
one.
one.
Which one?
Look at this chocolate.
A little bit fancy. Nah. We'll just choose from here, honey. Come. I think that's the most beautiful. I'll grab it. Hi, can I just grab one of the Mississippi baked cheesecake? Thank you. Oh wow. That's yummy.
I want that for my birthday.
Yeah, for next year you can have that, okay?
Oh, great, okay.
Careful, Anna. Don't alug it. We'll get under. Okay, you want to pay? Finally, nakahanap din kami guys ng nakapili din kami ba? Sobrang hirap sa pumili kapag maraming choices. Shall I give this one there guys? What do you think? Ganda naman ang lighting nila dito eh. Ate! Ba't na? Show Tita dito the candles. Why are we getting 4 and 1?
Because it's 41.
That's right.
Because that's 41.
That is 41.
Because our candy.
Yeah, look at Ate Paris, see? She's wearing shoes.
Lenin.
You can wear shoes too. Ayun ang mga sapatos. Hey,
Yeah. Come on.
this way. Ayaw niya talagang magsapatos, guys. This way. Oh, it's good. Oh. Hindi pa naman nag-jacket si Mami. Come on.
Oh, I told you.
Yeah, I know. But we're going. Oh, look. The shoes lang. Give me the shoes. Okay. Other one? It's okay. I'm gonna get it. Ayan. So, dyan kami guys sa Kubo's Bar and Grill. 6:30 yung aming booking. So, hindi pa naman siya 6:30. Okay. Oh, got the shoes. Careful lang. Oh. Do you hear something? No, later. Okay, Selene. Ang shoes niya guys, oh, ayaw niya talagang isuot. Kami pa yung nandito. Here's the birthday boy. Kami pa yung nakarating dito guys, maaga pa rin kasi. Oh, shush, Selene! What is that? Careful. Ate. Breast. Hi. Hi, Joy. Joy, hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog.
Ladies time.
Ito sila, they're ordering na guys.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, once again.
I want the $50 sister.
Hindi ako makakain guys. Tingnan nyo to. Tumatakbo palabas. Nawalan na tuloy ng gana si mama kumain na. Nandun na ang pagkain ko guys. Oh. Ay. Bibili ako nito mamaya. Put the cheese. Add the chita. No, not up there. Because you might fall. Video, man, good. This vlog. Vlog. Tama na lagi pag English lagi. Say hi sa akong vlog, my baby.
Hello.
Hi. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Minnie! Minnie! See Daddy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Min! Min! Hi! Thank you! Thank you! What? Did you wish, Noel? Did you wish?
See, it's very close now. It's trying to shine, guys. It got like
Hard
this.
time! Hard time! Yeah. Wow! Oh, it's dark, man! And guys, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Taking na lang. Kasi nilinig pa rin talaga ng sapatos, guys. Yeah, thank you for coming.
Hi, hold up. You never hold it.
Nat, thank you for coming. Yay. Mini girl. Hi, ate. Say bye-bye.
Cheers.
Bye-bye. Take care, ha? Say hi to Marco.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. I don't want it anymore. It's hurting Mama. Can you put it? Thank you, sweetie girl. Thank you. Can you get it now? Go to your seat. That is Mama's seat. Can you go to your seat? That is waiting. Come on. Yeah. Go, go, go. Where's your seat? Put your seatbelt, Nata. Where are you going? Come on. Bye. Kagaling-ling. Yeah, poor little Celine, guys. Tingnan nyo. Tulog na tulog na. Pagkaakyat dito sa taas. Nakatulog na yan siya sa sasakyan. I cleaned the bed. Pagbalik ko dito sa couch, tulog pa rin. I have to change her. Wash her feet. Kasi naglakad-lakad to kanina na walang sapatos. Shush.